Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Asif Shwal, subject specialist in Pakistan study at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Dear students, I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson.
Topic: Shape and size of the earth. Learning objects. After the lesson, students will be able to understand and describe the shape of the earth, size of the earth, why is earth is round in shape. Dear students, our today's topic is very interesting and informative because we live on earth and we want to learn a lot about earth. So I shall tell you useful information about our earth planet. As we know that the universe is a combination of billions of galaxies comprised of matter. Earth, solar system, and galaxies are important components of the universe. The planet which revolves around the sun in their respective orbits get light and temperature from the sun. Our earth is one of these planets which revolves around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours. Okay students, our next heading about the size and the earth is how did earth get its name. The name earth is derived from the both English and German words respectively, which means ground. One interesting fact about its name, Earth is only planet that wasn't named after a Greek or Roman god or goddess. Second heading of the topic is who discovered Earth. The exoplanet was identified by the Kepler Space Telescope and its discovery was announced by NASA on 23 July 2015. The planet is about 1400 light years away from the solar system. Next point is shape of the earth. Earth is round like a football. If we travel in any direction on earth, we shall reach the same place where we started our journey. In ancient times, the people experimented and learned that the earth was round. In present age, the pictures of earth taken from satellites have made it easy to understand What is the shape of Earth? Next heading is very important and very informative. Why is Earth round in shape? A planet is round because of gravity. A planet's gravity pulls equally from all sides. Gravity pulls from the center to the edges like the spokes of a bicycle wheel. This makes the overall shape of a planet a sphere, which is a three-dimensional circle. Next point is the size of Earth. In this heading, we have 3 points. Number 1, if we cut the Earth along the equator into 2 equal halves, the distance from one end to the other is about 12,750 kilometers. This is the diameter of the Earth. Second point of this heading is circumference of the Earth. If we move along the equator and take complete round, the distance is about 40,000 kilometers. This is the circumference of the Earth. And the third point of this heading is the area of the surface of Earth. The area of the surface of the Earth is about 510 million square kilometers. This is the size of the Earth in 3 points. Now, the next heading is recapitulation and assessment. Now I ask some question about the lesson. Number 1 question is, how does Earth look like? Very easy answer of this question. Earth looks like a round football. Second question, is Earth a star or a planet? Yes, Earth is a planet which revolves around the sun. Number 3 question, what is the diameter of Earth? Diameter of the Earth is 12,750 kilometers. Number 4 question, what is the circumference of the Earth? Circumference of the Earth is 40,000 kilometers. Question number 5, what is the surface area of the Earth? Very easy answer. The area of the surface of the Earth is about 510 million square kilometers. Question number 6. What is meant by universe? In the start of the lesson, I have told you about this. The universe is a combination of billions of galaxies comprised of matter. Question number 7. Which are the important components of universe? The answer is Earth, solar system, and galaxies are important components of universe. And the last question number 8 is, how much time does Earth take to revolve around the sun? Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun. Okay boys, now it's time to home assignment. Your lesson has completed now. You will read this topic completely from your book thoroughly on book page number 4 and 5. Also, write and learn these short questions carefully. Write these short questions on your notebooks. I hope so that you will enjoy the lesson. May Allah bless you. Thank you very much.